Hi, I'm Ben Parsons, and I'm here to tell you why studying English at the University of Leicester could be one of the most rewarding decisions you make. English isn't just about reading and analysing literature, it's about developing skills you can put to work in a range of fields. At Leicester, studying English equips you with a broad range of skills, from digesting and communicating complex information to critical thinking and creative analysis. These competencies are highly valued by employers in various walks of life, from education to marketing to the creative industries. We collaborate closely with the Career Development Service to support your career journey and to build your confidence and readiness for the job market. And our suite of bespoke employability modules will give you real-world experience of a range of fields, including publishing, teaching, both domestic and overseas, journalism, and freelance writing. Our graduates have achieved success in a wide variety of professional roles, demonstrating the strength and the versatility of an English degree from Leicester. Our course features small group teaching for deeper discussions and close lecturer interaction. We also host the annual free festival Literary Leicester, which brings 5,000 attendees together to engage with renowned authors and diverse voices, celebrating inclusivity and multicultural narratives on our campus. Whether you're drawn to English for its strong research culture, the vibrant campus life, or the pathways it opens up for your future, Leicester has something special to offer. We look forward to supporting and inspiring your journey in English. Thank you for considering Leicester. Come and be part of our story.